The honest woodcutter who lost his axe went for a walk in the forest with his wife after a long time. The woodcutter's wife expressed her desire to see the river. While going to the river bank, suddenly his wife fell into the water and drowned. The woodcutter started crying. Hearing his cry, the nymph came again. Then the nymph lifted a girl out of the water, like a very beautiful princess, and said, "Is this your wife?" The woodcutter said, "Yes, this is my wife." The nymph said, "Look carefully and then tell me." The woodcutter said, "You don't have to look any further. This is my wife." The nymph said, "I was impressed by your honesty last time. What have you done now? Have you forgotten your wife after seeing a beautiful girl?" Then the woodcutter said, "I was forced to say that this is my wife. If I had not said so, you would have picked another girl who was a little less beautiful. If I had said this girl, you would have taken my wife last and given me all three like last time. That is why I said this is the wife for the first time. I am a very poor man. How can I take care of 3 wives? I cannot handle even one more wife. If there are 3 wives, I will have to jump into the river and commit suicide." This time too, the nymph was impressed by the woodcutter's honesty, and lifting the 3 out of the water, offered them to him and even proposed to him. The honest woodcutter returned home with 4 wives.